Yo guys, Vala Reviews here. Now this is the Infinix S5 Lite, priced at 42,500 naira. It is 10,500 naira cheaper than the Infinix S5. Is this phone worth buying? Well, in this video, we're going to find out. So when you open up the green box, the first thing you'll see is the phone. Now let's put that aside. You get a SIM removal tool, you get a screen protector film, a user manual. Guys, you get 100 days broken screen replacement for free, no questions asked. You also get this X Club pamphlet. Join the X Club if you want an Infinix device. You get a customer service card, you get a TPU case, earphones, micro USB cable, and a 6-watt charger. Okay, before I go on with the specs and all that good stuff, let me show you some of the things that the Infinix S5 Lite can do. You can cast your phone's display to a compatible TV. This is especially good when you want to play PUBG or watch YouTube on a bigger screen. You have the same gesture features with the S5. You can answer calls with the peace sign, reject calls with the high five sign, take a screenshot by swiping 3 fingers across the screen, play, pause, skip, go to the previous track by swiping while the screen is turned off. Super impressive for a device that costs 42,500 naira. Now, moving to the design of the Infinix S5 Lite, I have to say Infinix phones are really easy to hold and they feel good in the hand thanks to the rounded edges. On the left side, you have the dual SIM tray and the memory card slot. The memory card is expandable to 256GB. On the top, there's nothing. On the side, you have the easy to reach volume keys and the power button. Moving to the bottom, you have the mono speaker, the micro USB port, the mic, and a 3.5mm audio jack. At the rear, you have a fingerprint scanner that is fast, a triple camera setup, and an LED flash. The display on this device is a 6.6-inch IPS LCD panel with a resolution of 720 by 1600 pixels. The display is the exact display you get on the Infinix S5. It's good for playing games, watching YouTube, browsing. The size makes consuming media enjoyable and immersive. Still on the display, you get small bezels at the top and about 0.5cm bezels at the bottom. Now the S5 series is the first smartphone from Infinix to have a hole-punch camera. You get a 16-megapixel front-facing camera with the S5 Lite, more on that to come. Surprisingly, the Infinix S5 Lite comes with the same processor with the standard S5. You get a Mediatek Helio P22 chip on this phone. It's a 12nm chip and it's plenty fast for the price. This version of S5 Lite with me has 3GB of RAM. There's also a 4GB of RAM version. Playing PUBG is fluid at medium settings and balanced graphics. Asphalt 9 runs smooth as well with no lag at all. Call quality is good. The mono speaker quality is not bad. No complaints here. Now let's talk about the cameras on this device. In the punch hole, you get a 16-megapixel camera. Pictures taken with the camera are decent. It isn't the best among the S5 family, but all in all, you get a decent front camera with the S5. Hello guys, so here's a video from the front-facing camera from both phones. They both shoot in 1080p 30 frames per second, and what do you guys think about the quality coming out from the Technocam on 12 Air and the Infinix S5 Lite? At the rear, you have a triple camera setup. You have a 16-megapixel camera, a 2-megapixel camera, and a QVGA camera. Images captured using this camera are alright. You can also shoot in 1080p at 30 frames per second. So guys, there's a video from the rear camera. Both cameras shoot in 1080p 30 frames per second. So which one would you pick? Now moving to the battery department, you get a 4000 mAh battery on this device, and from my usage I was able to get 7 hours screen on time with my SIM card in it and the network set at 4G. 30 minutes of playing PUBG decreased the battery life by 10%, which is on par with other phones with the same battery capacity. So guys, the Infinix S5 Lite is an amazing device for the price. You get a Mediatek Helio P22 chip on board, you get 3 or 4GB of RAM depending on the variant you choose, you get a large 6.6-inch IPS LCD display, you get a 4000 mAh battery, and a good design. Comparing it with the S5, what you lose out on is better cameras, fancy design, and actually more RAM. For 42,500 naira, this is a solid device. What do you guys think? The S5 or the S5 Lite? Which one would you prefer? So that's it from me. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, leave a comment, and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you guys soon. Valo signing out.